Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 50. Get ready for the dictation. Start. We are surprised to know from your favor of the 6th of August of the extremely long delay in the delivery of the Surrey and Gloucestershire books so far as we can discover. There is no very clear reason for the delay. We have looked into the case, as you may be sure, and it is still a mystery. Mr. Strong, our dispatch clerk, expressly disclaims any blame, but if possible, he will take more care with the books still to come. He will personally supervise the addressing of the parcels. By the way, we hope to have the new Uxbridge book ready very soon. It will be in the same style as our classical library. Stop. Thank you.